Hello there. It is Saturday. It's the day before Easter, and I am going to be baking two things, one for breakfast tomorrow and one for dessert. And then I'm also going to make an appetizer, a dip. I think I have a recipe in mind, but then I also went on Pinterest like a day or two ago and saved something else. So we'll see what I have. I'm gonna have to look at everything, make sure I have all the ingredients, which I really hope I do. And then I also want to plan out how everything else that I'm gonna make, like when I need to start making it, when it needs to, just when it needs to go into the oven, and just time all that stuff out, what's going in the oven together, all that stuff, you know, just what's going where, when, how. Yeah, I just want to do that so that I'm more prepared for tomorrow. And that's kind of what my goal is for today. I do need to clean our shower. I'm sorry if you can hear the TV. He is of course watching cartoons right now. I need to clean the shower. We had run out of shower cleaner, so I was waiting until we went to the store again. We went yesterday and got some more, so I can do that today. And I want to make s'mores today, so I think we're gonna go outside and make fire after Ender gets up from his nap and oh, no, wait. No, we're gonna do it after dinner. I'm sorry. We're gonna do it after dinner. But I think we're gonna eat like an early dinner. I don't actually know what we're eating for dinner. I guess I have to think about that too. We picked up an order from Walmart yesterday, which was really good. It was a ton of stuff. I'm so glad I had Greg's help wiping everything down, because you know, it's convenient to go to do an online order and like just drive up and they put it in the car and come home, but then you have to sanitize everything, or at least we are. So it's a lot of work, but he was helping me, so we got through it in a pretty reasonable amount of time. Oh, I wanted to share a couple things with you guys. So one thing was that Target's curbside pickup, or I think it's curbside pickup or something. You can order certain items on Target's website and then just drive up to some designated parking spots, and you just check in on your phone and they bring the stuff out to you. We were out of dishwasher detergent and Walmart was sold out, Amazon was sold out. So I think those were the only two places I looked. So I ended up finding that it was in stock at Target, our local Target. So I ordered that. What else did I order? Oh right. Okay, I remember what now. I got some milk it comes in like a juice box. I think the brand is Horizons. It's just a 6-pack and it does not go in the fridge, so it stays good for a really long time. I figured that would be really helpful if we run out of milk again, like we just did. Just to give Ender some milk so that he doesn't go without it like he just did. Whatever, he'll survive, I'm sure. Anyways, and then I couldn't find any cinnamon desserts, and I realized I could have just made one from scratch, but I decided not to. So Walmart didn't have anything, and the little grocery store that Greg had run into to get milk didn't have it as well. So I bought that on the Target app as well. You couldn't get anything cold on the Target app, and I couldn't add a video game. I think I could add a movie though. I don't know why I couldn't do the video game. I don't know if that was the price, like if that was just too much money to be spending on one. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I'm babbling. And the other thing I was gonna say was I just looked up 2 separate nurseries, local nurseries to us. And one is doing delivery, which I think is awesome. Free delivery if you spend $100 or more, which is really nice. I think they have mulch, so perfect. I think we might actually be able to just score on that. It'd be perfect. And then another nursery is doing like a drive-through type of thing. Like you just pull up and they'll bring it out to the car. Like I think you just call and they bring it out to the car, which is pretty nice. So anyways, I just felt like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to go shopping for flowers this season. I'm gonna totally miss out on that, and I was wrong. So check your local nurseries. I know it's a teensy bit early. I don't know, by the time I post this, it probably won't be too early, but it's something to think about. Like, I wanna get a few flowers, maybe a couple larger items, and we really want mulch. So that one place that does delivery will be top on my list. So just something to look into. I don't know what Home Depot and Lowe's are doing, but free delivery on flowers and like mulch and dirt, it's perfect. I mean, I don't mind. I would love to go to the nursery. This isn't gonna be like my new favorite thing to have it delivered, but for right now, I think it's super convenient. So I wanted to mention that so that people went and checked that out. Support a local business, right? I haven't been supporting anybody. My gosh, it's so loud in this house. All right, I am gonna go figure out the kitchen situation. It's 11 o'clock, so I have some time. Ender must be at the window. Greg is mowing. I just see Greg go by on the tractor and he's going. Daisy's looking really pitiful. Is that Daddy? Is Daddy mowing the lawn? And yes, the living room is a bit of a disaster. It's not terrible though. That would only take me like 2 minutes to clean up. So now you're saying to yourself, Liz, don't you have 2 minutes to go clean up? Well, no, because then it would only take him a couple more minutes just to mess it all up again. I'm not doing it until like nap time or something. Also, I did a thing a couple of days ago. I downloaded Animal Crossing, and I can tell you I'm fully addicted. I'm fully addicted. Today, it's 11 o'clock, okay? I did play last night, and I left it sitting on my nightstand, but I didn't play that long. But I've been playing this morning, and it was like the battery started flashing, and I was like, oh, okay, thanks, good. I can put it down. Because otherwise, I think I'd just sit there like forever playing it. Oh no, what have I done? Anyways, I thought it was a good thing to get right now since we're in quarantine. So the two baking things that I'm making, I am still eating really good. I'm still losing a good bit of weight, and I still plan on losing more. I plan on just having a cheat day tomorrow, like full-on cheat day. Breakfast, lunch. I probably won't eat dinner. I don't plan on like blowing my diet, but I do plan on enjoying food. So anyways, for breakfast, I'm gonna make this, just something easy for us to have. I know it says muffins also, but I'm probably just gonna make a cake. Like do it in a cake pan. I don't know what size cake pan. An 8x8 inch pan. The thing is, I've got to make sure I don't need that pan for something tomorrow, because I was gonna make green bean casserole and I might need that pan. I don't know. I probably have something else I can put the green bean casserole in it. But that's what I mean. I need to like figure out all of this, because I don't normally do the big holidays. And then I'm gonna make a cookie cake. I think that's what it's called. It's like round, like a cookie, duh. Kind of just looks like a sugar cookie kind of thing. And then I'm gonna put these Cadbury Shimmer mini eggs on top. Yeah, we'll see. They had shimmer ones, they had regular ones too, but I thought the shimmer ones were fun. So I'm gonna make that today. And then I'm also, like I said, gonna make the dip, but I'm not actually sure which kind. And I think I need to do some bacon for the dip. So, I mean, I have all day to do all three of these things. It's not like I'm in a rush, and I probably will wait until later to do like most of it, like during his nap. But I thought I'd come up and not play Animal Crossing. I just kind of get a plan together. I can probably do both baking things, like during his nap and the dip. I could probably do it all during his nap if he sleeps for 2 hours. Yesterday he slept for an hour. Bless you. And he was very tired when he got up. Bless you. There's a lot of sneezes. So yeah, I hope everybody is doing well, hanging out at home the past week, not doing much at all, just like everybody else, right? It's The weather hasn't been very good lately, so I haven't had him out in a couple of days. Are you playing with your Legos? And distracted. So just in case you guys were wondering, after the last clip I did pretty much nothing except for make lunch and eat it. I did figure out what entree I'm gonna make for tomorrow, so that's good. I am gonna be putting him down for a nap in about 20 minutes, so then I will get to work on baking, and there you are. And probably like at least getting started on a dip, because I will need to, I think, do the bacon. I'll probably do that today. What you doing? Can we see your shirt? Can I see your shirt? Come here, show me your shirt. Can I get a burger? No! That's a cute shirt you have there. Hop to it. It says bigger. Are you gonna make me a patty-less burger? Oh, yum. Thank you. I kind of like there to be, oh, pizza, good. Thank you. Pizza's much better. What you looking for? What you looking for? I know, I don't know how you find anything in this mess. Am I sitting on it? What are you looking for? Uh-oh. Oh no. Are you spinning around? Spinny, spinny. What are you looking for? I have no idea what he's looking for. Boop. Alright, so it is a bit later and I'm wrapping up everything I think that I'm gonna do today. Yeah. So I was just gonna show you the 2 desserts that I made. Ender literally just started crying. He's awake. Let me go get him. Alright, so now this is me and Ender. I didn't have him help me with any of this. I don't know, I just decided not to, and I'm really glad I didn't because the sugar cookie cake was pretty involved. I couldn't have done that with him. No. So anyways, I will show you everything now. The bacon is in the oven. I'm just gonna make that and put it in the fridge for tomorrow to throw in the dip. And I'm gonna do the dip in the crock pot. I'll leave links to everything. Like the cookie cake, I'll try to remember to leave a link for the dip. And the chicken that I'm gonna make and the green bean casserole. I'll leave my recipes, links to the recipes down below. None of it I've tried out before, but either in the description down below or on the screen right now, I'll tell you what was good and what wasn't good. Hopefully, it was all good. Boo, who's that? See, that's my boo-boo. I got boo-boo on my elbow. You got boo-boo on your elbow? It's not focusing on you. Okay, let's show them what I made. So this is the cookie crumb cake thing. I'm sure that's gonna be really good. It looks really brown, but hopefully it's good. I don't know. I didn't put it in there too long, I know that much. And then this is the cookie cake. I went a little low on the cook time because she said, you know, if you like it chewier. Doesn't that look good? You should see his face right now. Does that look good? That's for tomorrow. And you know what I'm just now realizing is he probably shouldn't have that candy because he could choke on it. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna give him that. I'll have to think about it. I'll have to figure that out. Is there over there. What? He spotted the bag. Anyways, she says on the cake that you can make it a day ahead of time and put it in the fridge. So I guess once it's completely cool, I will put it in the fridge until tomorrow and then just take it out a little bit ahead of time so that it can warm up. I don't know, I might read her details a little bit more before I do any of that, but that's what I read. Okay, all right. We are gonna get ready to eat dinner soon. I think we have to make dinner really soon. As soon as the bacon's out of the oven, we need to make dinner. So we can get outside and eat s'mores. We're gonna eat a s'more. We're gonna eat a s'more. You know what a s'more is? You do? What is it? Is it graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallow? It's a mess. That's what it is. I'll try to bring you guys out while we do s'mores. That's probably where I'll end the vlog. You were so sleepy. Did you have a good nap? He's like, can I have some of that? It's for tomorrow. That's for tomorrow. It is tempting though. Nobody would know. Under camera. Well, I'm kind of holding it. You look so cute. Uh-oh. Oh no. Now you go have your fingerprints on there. Got the camera? Oh. Spreading the legs of the tripod apart. What are you doing? You're silly. Oh, you're silly. Oh. Is that funny? Close it up. And you open it back up again. Bam. Boom. Yeah, boom. Yeah, I'm sure they love that. Let's maybe not shake the camera so much. Boom. Bah. Don't touch that. I have to clean it. Uh-oh. Gotta get the bacon out. Gotta get the bacon out. Ender, just eat it. Why are you picking the marshmallow off of the chocolate? The boy knows what he likes.
Yeah, making his dad's hand a mess.
And he just licked that off.
Oh.
Eat it. Are you gonna eat the chocolate? Can't believe I give you a sugar sandwich and you pick it apart.
Oh.
All right. Not in the focus. Okay. I am gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very simple one. Not a whole lot going on. Daisy is running towards me. We still have the fire going, but we're gonna be heading in shortly. It's cold, so I'm happy that tomorrow is gonna be nice and warm for Easter egg hunt and stuff like that. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.